I am trying really hard to find a decent fishing spot from shore for you guys. It's been really hard, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I got nothing up here. There's nothing available. So, guess what we're doing? I found this pond off of the road. Just came back from the river. I'm gonna try to fish it. Public pond. So we're gonna try it out. See what happens. I'm gonna bring my panfish stuff and my bass rod, cause I got no plans today, yo. But we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna catch some fish. We're gonna catch something. Do I know what? Nope. We're gonna emphasize flexible. Stay tuned. To me, I feel like it's gonna be a single day. Just throw stick baits and just let it sit, you know. That's it. That's all you can do. Oh, it's so dry. Looks very dry. And I got Crocs on. I guess it's a good idea. Kind of scared. I'm scared of snakes. Ooh. Should brought my boots or something. Whoa! Water's low. Extremely low. Looks like somebody tried going over there. Oh my gosh. This pond looks really sad. From the judgment of this, looked like the water's supposed to be up here. But this case, yeah, it's pretty low. I might just want to throw a Cinco because the water is sad. This is that quick mud stuff. Yep, we're not throwing top water. No, we are not throwing plastic for sure. According to the condition, it's gonna have to be a plastic kind of day, guys. Tie on the braid to leader. Sorry, I got a hook in my mouth. So this is the only worm hook I got. John left in my car. So, thank you, John. Outdoor Habits. Leaving a hook in my car. Yep, outing is as good as we make it, guys. So we'll make the best out of it. Ah, stupid plant. Stab me. Right, just cast it to the middle. Oh, cast pretty far. Nice. I didn't think it was gonna go pretty far. I'm so scared, man. Ooh. Snakes. Please don't be snakes. Hate snakes. Ah, stuff hurts. Ah, toughen up, buttercups. Ah, shit. Ah. Oh, look at this guy. Ah, shit. I came through the wrong way. Came through the wrong way. Ah, freak. That hurts. I don't know how I want to make it through this. Nope, I'm good. Can't make it through it. Ah. Oh, it's poking me. Oh, can't make it. Gotta go back around. Oh, jeez, we're sinking. Sinking. Whoa, those are nice gills. Alright, so I see some nice gills on the bed still. Oh, I just got hit. Little guy. Little guy. Whew. Gonna end up pan fishing, alright. There's gotta be one bass in here. Oh, dude, I actually got a bass come up and eat it. Whoa, whoa, I just saw it. I just saw him. He came out of the hole. Dude, no way. I just got a bass come up. It wasn't big, but it was a fish. Oh, he took my worm. No, he took my worm. He took my worm. Okay. Nice. Took my worm. How? It's another reason why I don't like weedless rig on Cinco, because you miss a lot unless it's a giant. Damn it, here goes my chance. Just lost the bass. This is depressing, though. This is so depressing. The water is so low. It's almost like drained out. Dried out, I should say. Oh, dude, there's top water over there. Man, what's going on? Am I targeting in the wrong area? What's going on today? They won't take a single, but they're hitting bluegills on shore. They're not big, but still. Oh, I actually missed. What? How, dude? It actually came to it. Okay. Got him. Yep, got him. I actually got a bass. I got a bass, guys. Yeah. We got a bass. Oh my gosh. Ouch, ouch. You're just so skinny. Chill, buddy. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna let you dangle there till you're done, since you don't want me to help you. Oh, and you pop off. Bro, don't go over there. Dude, don't go over there. Oh my gosh, I can't help you now. Shit. Nope, I can't go over there. Come here. I was trying to help you, man. Look at you, struggling. I don't think you're independent. Come on, man. Let me see if I can get through the gill right there. Dude, it's hot. Come on, man. Bear with me. There he goes. I got him. And you do that. Yep. Come on. Keep that two up. It's gonna get you in the water, all right. There we go. Just launch him back there. All right. Got yourself a bass. Oh, I got him. Yes, got another one. Came out of nowhere. Yeah. Haha. Nice little guy. There you go. What we're doing here is we're twitching the single like a bluegill. They don't want no dead bait action. Don't want that thing to actually look like it's trying to escape. They'll come out of the grass, the weed line, right? Us Wisconsin people will call it. Nice. Okay, I'll take it. For a dried up area like this, I'm not complaining, yo. Yep, all I'm doing is just twitching it. Because they're chasing bait. They're really close to the weed line too. Like they're hugging it super hard. I gotta be careful where I step because I can sink in any minute now. Before we go any further here, this is my setup. This is my Okuma X Series rod, bass rod, 7 foot, medium, fast action. With my Okuma Hakai 8-to-1 gear ratio, faster gear ratio. This rod is extremely sensitive. You can feel all the bluegills peck my Cinco. That's how I know not to set the hook. Put weight on it, you know it's a bass. So, pretty sensitive rod, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, there's a hole right here. I gotta be careful. I'm gonna get jumped by these muskrat. Got him. That's a better fish. Yeah. Oh, it's muddy. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Yes. We got him. I guess we figured something out, right? Whoa, their teeth are sharp, dude. Yeah, look at that. Muddy bass. Hoo-yah! Let's put on a different color. I think I have like one with a little bit of sparkle and not just pumpkin. Let's go with the gold flake. Thing is, so this is the Bass Pro Shop brand. I did throw some yum in there, right? This one floats a little too long. This one actually sinks. So you kind of want it to sink a little bit and not necessarily float. And I'll be able to cover more water. The one in Bass Pro Shop got more salt on it. The other one's good when you're fishing really shallow on a boat. But when you're on shore, you kind of want a little distance just to cover, you know. Got him. Yep. Yeah, oh, that's a better fish. Oh no, it's stuck in the mud. Jeez, bro. Look at him. Mud fishing at its finest, huh? I'm not even catfishing. I'm getting down and dirty today. We good. We're good. We got it. All right, muddy fish. Sorry, guys. I just got yeeted over there, okay? Nice. It's so freaking dirty. Wow. I wasn't even recording. Look.
Finally. Ooh. That's not bad, bro. That's not bad.
Thanks. I wasn't even recording, too. I just, like, threw it over there. Oh, once again, guys, in the car, sweating. It's like 90 degrees out, guys. And all I have to say is, we were able to get, I don't know, what, 4 or 5 bass? It was good enough. It was a good pond experience, I guess. It's been a while since I've done any pond fishing, so it was just nice to come out and chuck some sinkholes here and there. So we figured out the bite. We caught some fish, no dinks. So I'm on a call with Danny and them. So as always, it's been dry, guys. Pond's been dry, lake's been lower. River's been really shallow. Danny's at the river right now. He's not seeing a sign of life besides those little ones, you know. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.